Fact of the day.
Hello, hi, and welcome to Fact of the Day with me, Mark Lotsu. So today's Fact of the Day is about a chemical called atrazine and a professor called Professor Tyrone Hayes, and he's Professor at University of California in Berkeley. Now, many years ago, I think it was probably late 90s, early 2000s, he was asked to do a study for a company which is now called Syngenta, and there was to look at the effect of atrazine on populations of organisms. And he then reported back that atrazine caused an increase in the production of estrogen in frogs. So that these male frogs, genetically male frogs, started to produce estrogen, and the estrogen then triggered them to become girl frogs. So things like producing eggs in their testes, which then causes the testes rupture, or to actually full on become girl frogs, because it'll be absorbed into the eggs and then as a tadpoles and then into skin as the frog's growing up. So he reported this back. He also said that there were problems with atrazine causing cancer in things like rats because it caused an increase in estrogen. I don't know if you know, but if you increase the levels of estrogen, then that's one of the things that is linked to development of things like breast cancer. So atrazine is a hormone disruptor so he said inhibits testosterone and promotes the production of estrogen. Now, because of this, the EU said, do you know what, we are never ever using this stuff again, okay? America said, yeah, not 100% sure that it's actually right, and to be fair, his studies haven't been backed up by any other studies. But I'm guessing we just didn't take the risk. This is the biggest chemical that's found in the groundwater and rainwater in America. It's also used massively in Australia as well. I just worry that this is one of those times where, you know, you should just be thinking, do you know what, just don't use it. Don't use it. What does it remind you of? It reminds you, it was used as a herbicide. Reminds me of DDT, which was used as an insecticide. And from World War II, when people would say, oh, I've got loads of ticks, so they'd spray them with DDT all over their body. They'd use DDT left, right and centre as an insecticide. Absolutely love DDT. Oh, hang on, DDT is linked to cancer. Oh, hang on, DDT is decimating populations of wildlife. Hope we don't make the same mistake with atrazine. If you're in America, please be careful, be wary of the chemicals. Anywhere in the world, be wary of the chemicals that you put into your body. It's your body, you should look after it. That's it from me. That's Fact of the Day. Love you, bye, love you, bye, love you, bye.